We're going to show you how to delete a page in the Control Center on your iPhone running iOS 18. This will help you streamline your Control Center and make it more efficient. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. Let's see now how we can remove a page in the Control Center in iOS 18 on iPhone. Swipe down from the top right corner. This is the traditional method for iPhones. On the right of the Control Center, you see some small icons. Those are the pages for the Control Center. Please see that I have 4 icons. This is important. On the top, there is a plus icon. Tap on it. You see now that we entered into the edit mode for the Control Center. Now when you look on the icons from the right, you see there are 5 icons. The new icon added is the new page. Swipe from top to bottom or from bottom to top to get to the page that you want to delete. You need to remove all the controls from that page to remove the Control Center page. So tap on the minus for every control button or widget. Now you have a clear page. After that, just tap on the screen and the iPhone will exit the edit mode. You see now that when we exited the edit mode, we had 3 icons on the Control Center, so a page was removed. You've successfully learned how to delete a page in the Control Center on your iPhone running iOS 18. Streamlining your Control Center can help you access your most used features more quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.